Hey everybody, Dan Olson from Hog Wild Barbecue. Got a nice little gift in the mail today. Sweet Smokie Joe's sent me some of their spices and seasonings, and I'm dying to find out what's in this box. What Stan over at Sweet Smokie Joe's doesn't know is that my birthday is in a couple of days, so this is the first birthday gift I've gotten. Thank you, Stan. And let me share with the rest of you what we have here, and then maybe come up with some ideas of what we want to cook. All right. Oh, this is awesome. Got some Cypress Bayou sweet barbecue sauce. Thinking maybe ribs or something. Awesome. Honey chipotle. Stan must know that I like things spicy. That's awesome. Oh, how about that? Some Creole kick. I'm thinking blackened shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Roger. Come on, dog. I just gave you a bath. You can't go out until you've dried off. I know you want out. You're on air, man. Okay. I have a beef and pork rub. How about that? Pretty excited. And then finally, some faux chicken. I love a smoked chicken. If you've watched my channel for any time, you know that I love to smoke a chicken. So I've got a couple of ideas. You know, the blackened shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. I've been really trying to come up with some ideas of how to do a make-at-home Mongolian barbecue. This is going to be the secret to that. Anyways, again, thank you, Stan, so much for the spices and rubs and the barbecue sauce. I really look forward to using it in my cooking. I'll let you guys know as I go along. I'll let you know how I like them. If there's some maybe that I like better than the others, seriously, I will let you out once you're dry. I'm not going to let you go roll in the grass while you're still wet. I love you. And I love you people too. Thanks for stopping in. Look, come back and see what we're going to do with these spices and rubs. Until next time, I'm Dan Olson, wishing you a good day and good barbecue. Okay, everybody. Hey, I was just cleaning up after showing the spices and rubs and the barbecue sauce that I got, and my friend Scott came over. So I had some Kahlua pork sitting in the fridge. We built a Kahlua pork sandwich, and I'm going to give you an honest, unbiased opinion as to how the barbecue sauce tastes. We're going to put it onto the sandwich. Scott's going to take a bite, and he's going to let us know. So stay tuned. Let's check this out. All right. Putting the sandwich together, a little bit of coleslaw, a little Kahlua pork. All right, here we go.
That is very good.
Tell me what you think.
The sauce mixes very well with the flavoring of the coleslaw. It's not too sweet, but like it kind of has, so it's sweet, but it kind of still has that kind of barbecue, kind of mesquite flavor to it. And then it mixes very well with the sweet of the coleslaw. And then, it's a really good barbecue sauce.
Awesome. Scott, thank you so much for dropping in when you did. Enjoy the sandwich. We're Dan and Scott, Hog Wild Barbecue. Again, wishing you a good day and good barbecue.